added half cup of all-purpose flour to a saucepan, added in some water, and then I mixed it into a paste. I set it on fire and cook it on medium heat till it's well cooked. When it got thick, I added some water to loosen it up. I continue stirring to make sure there are no lumps. Yes, I added in some margarine, 1 tablespoon of margarine for some flavor. Yes, so in a different saucepan, I added 5 tablespoons of custard, strawberry flavored custard. I cooked it on low heat till it's well done. I added some half tablespoon of margarine for some flavor as well to this mixture. Added some water to make it light. In a different bowl, I added in 2 cups of powdered milk, evaporated milk, and my condensed milk. You can actually use the amount of condensed milk you want depending on the taste, the sugar level you want it. Yes, I added in some water and then I mixed it into a very nice milk mixture. So to my strawberry base, I added in 1/3 of the ice cream, the milk mixture. I stirred it to make it well combined. So to the other 2/3 of the milk, I put in all my flour-based thickener that I did. Make sure I stirred for everything to be well combined. Yes. I poured some into a different bowl to make a different mixture. So I added Milo to that mixture to make sure I have 3 flavors. Yes. And I love how it's looking already. Yes, so I have 3 flavors of my ice cream. I have strawberry, I have chocolate, and then I have vanilla. So I added my vanilla essence to have that taste, that flavor of the vanilla ice cream. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I love this. I love how creamy and nice it's all looking. Got my ice cream molds and I started filling them up. Guys, I can't wait to have a bite of this. I can't wait. I can't wait. Yeah. So the last one, I mixed all the 3 flavors to have a different taste. Yes. So the rest, I tied them. Yeah, for convenience sake, because baby DM, if you give him the steak, everywhere will be full of ice cream. So for convenience, I have to tie some into a rubber ice cream rubbers. Yeah, it's so cute and nice. Yeah. So after tying everything, I had to put them in my freezer for overnight for it to freeze well. Ah, what is ice cream without it being frozen? Yeah. So yeah, this is my ice cream the next morning, all frozen. Charlie, can you see the eyes? I'm loving this already. So this is my ice cream after hours of freezing. And I can see it's yummy already. So I'm going to have a bite. Mm. The taste is heavenly. Mm. Guys, on this note, you're invited. Yeah. So don't forget to do this for your kids as I was on their break. I know most kids are on holiday breaks. Yeah, so don't forget to. Yummy. Yummy. So don't forget to do some for your kids. I think it's healthier than buying these sugar infused, color infused drinks on the market. So I think this is a healthier choice because with this you can actually control the sugar level. With the condensed milk, you can control the sugar level. Yeah. Let your kids and family have some ice cream time on this break. Don't forget to subscribe, like, hit on the notification button. Yes, so that when you post a video, you'll be the first to know. Let me know if you give it a try in the comment section as well. Love you. I'm out.